Hi, Luke. Can you saw a tree down for me? Can you saw a tree down? Oh, you got me. You better do some sawing. You gonna beep, beep, beep? Back up. No. Where's Mommy going?
Yeah, that's Mommy's saw.
Can you saw a tree for Dad?
No. My saw.
A lot of nice big ones.
They'll hold me down.
Okay, we're going to go a little bit further this way. Oh,
Frankie.
there's that doggy. Now we can put that on the back side. It has a nice front.
Mine's uncle. Mine's
I mean, I just saw something down.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Daddy's gonna walk. Yeah, Daddy's coming too. Can you saw the tree? Saw the tree a little bit.
Daddy coming.
Yeah, Daddy's coming.
Daddy coming.
Yeah.
Daddy coming. Daddy coming.
Come on. Where'd Mommy go? Oh.
Here. 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 Mommy going here. Mommy going right here.
But it's pretty full.
Daddy, come on.
I'm sorry. I'm coming.
Lukey, what about this one?
Is that the one we just? Can we? You think you can help Mommy saw it?
Yeah, my little angel will sit on top. I just think it's going to be, because our post is like that big.
Daddy, come.
Daddy's right here.
Daddy, come on.
Ugh. Ready? Hold it, buddy. You
Down.
gonna sit down and help? There we go. We got nice big old snot out. Okay, you need to stay on that side though. All right, here goes Mommy.
Mommy, turn it down.
Mommy's gonna cut it down.
I'm ready. You see Mama cutting it down? Okay. Good job.
Mommy.
Good job, buddy. Uh-huh. You're very helpful. You see now Mommy's head? Well, honey, Mommy doesn't need it on right now, okay? But
Can you help Mommy saw?
hi, buddy. Good job. Oh.
Mama, Daddy saw it.
You want Daddy to saw?
No, Mommy saw. Mommy's getting there. Putting the sauce hitting me in the face. Why don't you saw this one down for Mom? Here, lay down on the ground and saw that one off, okay, with your saw.
Mommy, come back. Daddy,
Chop it down. Yeah, bud.
There we go. Oh, my little thing.
Mommy,
Uh-huh.
open.
There's a white tag on this one.
I'm from Mommy.
You're gonna saw mommy?
Get in there, honey.
Mommy, here.
Hi, honey.
Mommy,
Ah.
Keep going, Mookie. Keep going. Can you pull it your way at all, honey?
Yeah, I can. Okay.
There we go.
here, Mommy.
Because I almost have it. Keep pushing, look.
Look, the tree's gonna fall over. You ready? Should we? Oh, mommy's almost got it. You ready? Timber!
Woo!
Mommy, children. Oh.
There's the guy right there.
There we go.
There we go.
Mommy, there's another one.
Hi.
Mommy,
We're done.
that one now.
You gonna saw that one
You
down?
gonna saw the little one down?
No, Daddy, Mommy,
Did mommy do that?
What did the tree say when it fell over? Timber!
Can you pick it up? Good job. Timber. Can you give this? This guy's gonna take it up to the place for us.